Well, the adults, well, they're just hoping that there's some more magic in store for them. I've got this really exciting story to tell you.
No. The film is about kids. So I just had this incident. So as a small little kid, we used to have this competition कि सड़क पे कोई गाय या भैंस अगर भाग रही होती थी, तो उसकी पूंछ को पकड़ के पीछे से जोर की खींच दिया करते थे. और जब वो भागने लगती थी, फिर हिम्मत करके उसके ऊपर चढ़ के बैठने की कोशिश करते थे. You know, that was like to see who's the biggest man of them all.
Thank God for small mercies. On so glad you've grown up.
Oh.
Kids, I'm so sorry for this. I'm so sorry you all had to hear that rubbish. That's
Where
a
are the
terrible
kids?
story.
Okay,
Now
okay.
hear a really good story. पता है जब भगवान ने दुनिया का आविष्कार किया था, भगवान ने सबसे पहले किसे बनाया था? एक donkey को.
गधे, गधे, गधे.
That's really true.
Okay.
But he said, listen, you know, you're the one who's going to work really hard from sunrise to sunset. You're just going to be working. You're going to be carrying, well, loads and loads of luggage on your back.
Okay.
And akal naam ki cheez hogi nahi. Well, you will be called a donkey. So the donkey was really excited. He said, oh, I love the name the donkey. And then God said, listen, and you also have 50 years to live. So the donkey said, no, 50 years is way too much. I just want 20 years. So God said, wish granted.
20 साल. ओके ओके. उसके बाद कहानी कुछ ऐसे जाती है कि उसके बाद भगवान ने कुत्ते को बनाया. He made a dog. और डॉग को कहा कि भाई जन्म लेने के बाद तुम जितने इंसान हैं उनके साथ रहोगे. You will stay with them. उसके घर की रखवाली करोगे. जो खाने को मिलेगा वही खाओगे. लेकिन तुम्हारी जो उम्र है वो तकरीबन 25 से 30 साल होगी. तो कुत्ते ने सोचा कि बाकी सारी बातें तो ठीक हैं लेकिन उम्र कुछ ज़्यादा है. तो मुझे सिर्फ I just need about 10 years. 10 साल मुझे चाहिए उतने ही.
Absolutely right. And then the story moves on, and then God created the monkey. And he said, you will be the person who will copy, you'll be jumping, you'll have 20 years to live. And the monkey said, no, 10 years is fine. God said, wish granted. And then God created?
And of course, after the donkey and the dog and the monkey, he finally created man. आदमी का जन्म हुआ और आदमी से कहा what would that be?
Nothing. Nothing? Your mom's perfect, like all moms are. Big hand for that answer. Excellent, excellent, excellent. All right, should I ask you another question? Okay, the movie is called Wow, Life Ho To Aisi. अगर आपके हिसाब से आप लाइफ को खुद बिल्कुल सजा पाते या उसकी स्क्रिप्ट लिख पाते, आपकी लाइफ कैसी होती?
Amazing.
Amazing? And what would you describe it as? School? No school? Lots of nice Barbie looking like girlfriends, no math, no algebra.
School.
School? Which school do you go to?
Jamna by Nasi.
That's the first kid who endorses school.
Thank you so much. The lovely, the beautiful Rageshwari, ladies and gentlemen. A big round of applause for her. Please.
Thank you so much. I feel at home already with all the little kids.
But, well, the thing is, you asked a question to that little boy that what would you like to change about your mom and dad? It's always the fact that why do they have to live together for so many years? You just need to move on. I think most of the men would like that. I see somebody laughing over there.
Listen kids, especially all the kids. We have lots of kids today, Aman, and he's a bad boy, kids. Just listen to me. Okay, I'm the good mascot here. He's the bad boy.
Am I the bad boy? Okay, so this bad boy is going to start off the show, kick off the show. और किसी भी शो की शुरुआत अच्छे कार्य के साथ होनी चाहिए, ऊपर वाले का नाम लेके, थोड़ी सी पूजा पाठ करके. So I would like to call upon stage a very esteemed gentleman who's been with Avishkar Films right from its inception, who's been the backbone, and of course, who's been with Avishkar right from its birth. Would like to call upon stage the PWD Minister, Honorable PWD Minister, Shri Chhagan Bhujbal ji. Can you please come on stage, sir? Please.
Well, with our first very esteemed chief guest, we also have
of course.
our next chief guest. Well, of course, he's a friend with friends and a huge business tycoon. He has a wonderful business acumen and, of course, a lofty vision where he has this vision of making the common man fly. Please give it up for the Honorable Civil Aviation Minister, Mr. Praful Patel. Big hand for him.
We are going to be lighting the lamp. Would like to request Mr. R.R. Patil ji to also come on stage. Chhagan ji has specially requested.
Big hand, friends, as the first flame is being lit. Congratulations. Wish you all the best. Thank you so much, gentlemen. Thank you. Big hand, friends. Thank you for your patience. What a patient.
Absolutely.
Wonderful audience.
Would like to apologize to the press and the people here that absolutely
Oh my God. All right, kid, don't worry. I'll make it all right because
Okay.
I'll make you see a wonderful side to wonderful kids.
Is it?
Yeah, where this
Dude.
movie is concerned.
I didn't know that kids had a wonderful side. I've only seen a bad side.
You're a bad boy. Shush.
Okay.
All right, friends. Well, for the very first time, you're going to have a look at the first look of what the music looks like of this movie, besides, of course, hearing what it sounds like. So do enjoy the very first look exclusively for you. Enjoy.
The first look. How does my look? I just came out of the loo after washing my face.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Let's
Okay,
go backstage.
let's go.
That's your cue.
The first look, ladies and gentlemen.
जैसा मिल जाए तो बात बन जाए सनम, चाहेंगे तुम्हें बस तुम्हारी बात।
चल 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 खोद खोद
प्लीज यार निकालो ना आप। अरे मेरा हाथ आ रहा है बीच में दोस्त।
Okay, could we start moving right now? Come on. Mano.
अरे यार
थोड़ा सा. Okay, fine. Now we starting.
I can drink over here.
2 minutes.
Just give me a hand.
They're coming. 1 minute. Okay, guys. Okay, that's enough. We'll do it later. Come on. That's later. Excuse me, stop it. I said stop it. Please. Okay, please. Okay, guys.
और स्टेज जो है उसे सबसे पहले खाली किया जाए। थैंक यू। क्योंकि we are going to start the show right now, and of course,
well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and all you young friends. Come on, big hand for Wah Life Ho To Aisi, big hand. Well, as you can see, just when I thought I should be dressed up as a kid, look at the kids of today. Isn't it? Big hand for them. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Big hand for them. And also, let's have the lights on the audience so we see where are the little kids. So all the little kids, well, you are all invited to come up on stage today as well. It was A for apple, B for ball, yeah, C for cat and D for dog. True. And do you know what H for is? Hijack, I for ISI, J for jail, K for kidnap, L for loafer, M for T for terrorist, U for underworld, V for villain, Z for zero marks to these kids. So this is the generation for today. So aren't we just so happy that finally Avishkar Films has done such a brilliant thing to make a movie on little children, which is so rare, isn't it? Isn't it, friends? So big hand for Avishkar Films. Come on, everybody. Okay, my little brats, come here. And now we're going to sing a song. My first song, of course, which has lots of little children in it, and that's why I'm here, because this is a movie about little kids. Okay, now you have to sing with me, and everybody out there as well. And also the press, who are always working so hard. Okay, so put your hands up in the air. It's a very simple song. Can you sing with me? Okay, can y'all sing with me? We'll roll the track and you have to sing along. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, let's roll.